Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to transfer WhatsApp from Android to iPhone devices using my tips and tricks, and it's very simple to transfer including all data. So how to do it? Let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So let's start as a mobile screen. I just simply open here WhatsApp, agree and terms and condition using different number. I just select here in India my Indian number 9422237003. Message retrieving credential, yes, Sangram Singh, done. So look at this, my all data chat are comes here in this particular application without any loss the data, because of I already stored this backup in my Android phone storage on data on my particular email address. Here look at this, I already saved this backup like a 64 MB only, not more than that. It's quite simple tips and tricks transfer your data Android to iOS using my tips and tricks. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram, same Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.